Need a size up. It's not shaved, toes not done. Hi lovelies, today it's part 2, my mom's redemption. She actually decided to surprise me and show up with bags. I'll show you the clip of me wondering like what the heck is she walking in my house with. My mom just walked in the house. Ignore the air mattress because one of them are sleeping out here in my living room. I only have one guest room and there's 2 people here. Anyways, she's walked the door and I guess she's trying to redeem herself. I see pink. I see pink. I see pink. Oh, look at the hole in the bag. The clothes don't have a hole in the bag. So she said just for free to film right now, but I look awful, so we're gonna reconvene tomorrow and see you guys tomorrow. You're not seeing me right now. And so we're gonna get into part 2.
Part 2?
Well, part 2. What is it gonna be? Redemption part 2? Same thing, isn't it?
Plus part 1?
By the time this comes up, part 1 will go out. So you guys would see it by then. I wouldn't be feeling well. Leave me alone. Anyways, let's get started into the looks of my mom picks my... Is this the same thing? Are you still picking date outfits or just outfits?
We'll see.
Okay, this literally might be part 2. The exact same thing that happened. My mom picks my outfits. Okay.
And you got me to help too.
Okay, well she's irrelevant. She's not here. Then that wasn't me. I didn't tell her to do it. You did.
Okay.
Okay, so are you gonna explain your outfit or explain it after
This
I look?
is going out on a date. Hot girls night.
Hot girls night or is it a date?
It's both. Reminiscing of my my youth. What I might wear.
I'm scared then because what you wore in your youth was...
So yeah. Go ahead. You told me to pick anything I wanted. And there's 2 options. This
It's see-through,
and a
guys.
floral dress. And
It's literally see-through.
This one.
This is a date outfit?
Like when you're going out, yeah, you go with a date. Why can't you go on a date? Or
Where's my ass going? This is a t-shirt!
You said the wild card, and we couldn't really find shoes, so for the time being, these are shoes you
What
can
size
wear.
did you get me?
Size 8.
Okay. So this is outfit number 1. She got me some clear heels. Whoop. And this dress. So I'm gonna go try this on and see what this looks like.
I think it looks good. It's a black dress, it's standard. You only need a little black dress.
I feel like there's no support for my boobs in this. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Okay. I want this dress off me as soon as possible. Okay.
Good look?
You can look at me.
Okay.
Ow. Down, ow. The dress hurts. If you guys decide to get this dress, I don't know if it's just this one, but like the boning in it is stabbing me. Like, oh, I don't...
Where are they stabbing you in?
The boning. This like in here area, it's
I
like...
feel it. It's going
Look,
into
this
okay.
here, those things are stabbing my stomach.
Okay.
Like it feels like it's going through the Is it going through the fabric? Okay. Well, if it didn't hurt, I feel like it could be cute.
It works though.
We're not doing the 2 cameras this time because that's too much work to edit and I want to get this video to you guys. But, like take off the shoe, there we go. The clear heels. What? That was dangling?
No.
The legs not being shaved? Is that what you're talking about?
Your feet not being green.
Oh, my feet being ashy? There's a lot of things going wrong under here. Okay, let me come closer so you guys can see. But yeah, so it's like this. It's not really much support in the... Oh, my armpits are not shaved.
This is not planned activity.
It really wasn't a planned video.
I'm visiting. And it came.
She literally came. Yeah, this wasn't a planned video, so I didn't prepare for this video at all. Even my nails are not done. I literally have a broken pinky that really hurts. If you do want this dress, I would say you have to put something softer, like a cotton ball or something.
I was thinking
Underneath, you're thinking cotton ball? Yeah. Put like a cotton ball or something underneath it to make it like not stab you as much. But it's like not as revealing as you would think, but again, my boob also is kind of spilling out over here through the mesh.
Can you lift your boob up and put it in the top more?
But if I do that, then I just have too much. Hold on. This is my neck. And then, yeah. But then it looks kind of weird.
It's weird there.
Yeah, then this part looks kind of weird.
It's perhaps just though.
First date, I don't know if I'd wear this for first date, but like if I had...
I didn't date night. You didn't say it was for first night. You single much longer.
Okay, we're gonna try this. Oh, so what do you rate this one that you gave?
I like this dress actually. I'd wear it back in my days. Maybe now too.
You definitely would now.
Said you definitely would. So I still rate it. I minus the issues. I still rate it 8.
The one that you might come home with scarring on your stomach?
Yeah. So I like the outfit. It just works for the comfortability of it.
Yeah. Honestly, I think I actually like it a lot more on than I do off, and it does actually cover my bum. I was worried that it wasn't going to cover my bum, but if it just fit better in the sense of not hurting me.
What size is this?
And my boobs, this one's the medium.
Okay.
I was going to try the small, but I feel like if I did that, it's going to really
Definitely.
jab into my stomach.
So this here, I mean, fine. The other one was wild card. This could be a nice dinner date outfit. Technically, you can wear the same shoes with it because
You didn't pick any others?
that could find any other shoes I like. I looked, not too many options there.
Can I look?
You can look. I like the color.
The fact that I have so many items this color.
I wasn't sure if you don't tell me you have this.
Oh no, it's slightly different than the one I have.
I liked it. I was like, oh, it looks like something she'd wear. Well,
The one that I wore in Vegas. It's just mine's the silky one. It's literally almost identical.
Well, I like wraparound dresses, so there you go.
Okay.
Okay, that's you.
The only thing is, it's
a little
short here. I'm gonna expose myself. Huh?
Looks like it's really. Okay, these are.
Something on it?
Yeah, really.
I told you it smells like someone.
Okay,
It
go
smells
on.
like sweat.
Okay, go ahead. Feeling you. It's a you style.
Yeah, I actually really like this one. I feel a lot more comfortable, but still sexy. Minus the fact that I'm gonna flash.
Is it tight here?
Yes. I need to size up in it. I like the little tie thing. I actually like this better than the dress I have, like the silky one. So I can cinch in the waist. I like the cut here. I like this part here where I can like cover my boobs or like pop them out if I really wanted to. I'm gonna kick off the heels. You guys can't see them anyways. It's still the same clear ones.
I still think it has to be wrong with this one, I think, because I don't like this one's
I think
flat.
someone just wore it out and then returned it because it smells like smell me.
I don't want to smell. I'm good. Thank you. Thanks, TikTok.
It's not TikTok.
Oh,
it's
YouTube. Sorry. Anyway,
It smells.
not smelling.
It smells. Melissa had a night out and this. They were
Okay, we'll take
sweating,
it off.
so
I do like it. I would give it a 9, just because it's something that you would actually probably purchase. I won't give it a 10 because it's the way it's made. Okay, so
Can I look?
I thought I explained first.
Okay, you can explain to me.
Oh, okay, fine. Be honest. So pink shoes.
Okay.
This spring.
That's cute. I like the
Okay,
shoes.
I like them.
Those are cute.
You know, I personally don't wear open back shoes, but she does.
Because your feet are too big.
Thank you. But they're cute. So they have these. You know these.
Okay.
Then I have this blazer.
I have so many white blazers. I have so many white
A
blazers.
new blazer.
Okay.
Okay. And it's summertime or springtime, so there are shorts, little hot shorts.
Oh, you might lose me with the shorts.
With a cute little shirt.
In theory, I could see where you're going with this. Where this could be cute.
With the blazer.
I can. If I was like,
And the shoes.
I just don't know what that's gonna look like on me now.
Right, fine.
No. Okay, so this is the top. I folded it under because she accidentally got me a XXL.
My bad.
So it is longer. I think it's supposed to be more crop, but it's longer. So I just like cropped it from like this much of it. You can see like my boobie area does not fit in it. Really big at the top. But you know, you're supposed to like be able to tie it in a bunch of string. But the cup areas is way too big because the side's too big. So it's not doing anything for my boobs. But it's like cute-ish. I see where she was going.
Open?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
I like that. Summer. Reminds the saggy boobs. Okay.
Why does this saggy boobs?
Okay, yeah, so I thought this would be bigger when I got it for you.
This is more like a suit jacket. You need a
Yeah,
bigger
I know.
size.
Well, I told, so there was the other jacket I really liked. There was only one left, and this other girl was trying it on, and she took it. But I really liked it, and it was nice. but I thought these jeans would be looser. So I think it'd be
Yeah,
like
these shorts
tight.
are quite tight. They're not doing any flattering, nothing flattering for me, but luckily you can't really see them.
Yeah. So I thought they would be more like, you know, the triangle, but they.
Yeah, you need to size up.
Right, Lucy. But yeah, I like the outfit in general.
I think you messed up. I think you're supposed to get these the correct size and this size.
But the idea of it was what I wanted. Those shoes are cute still.
Actually, I really like the shoes.
Overall, I won't put this the best because it's all messed up. But I do like
The idea
of it.
Yeah, the idea of it I think is great. The execution is not.
That's cute. It's fine.
No, it's not. It doesn't fit.
I don't know how that happened. I would never get an extra large. Like, yeah, I just grabbed the wrong one.
Shorts are too tight.
They fit you though. I wasn't sure if it would fit you. They actually do fit. It's not the style of what I envisioned.
Jacket is not baggy.
That's minor details.
So everything just not the right size. It's the minor
It was
detail.
the vision of
It's
it.
not the execution.
I was going for the vision, and I got the vision of what
That's
I
what I
wanted.
said. The vision is great. The execution wasn't.
Let's go to a 6.
6.
Because all messed up.
Really, she has some bonus pieces that she didn't match things. So what are they?
Well, they can match technically. It's this cute little bodysuit.
Again, mesh.
It's summertime. It works. And you can wear it with the shorts.
With
if you
what?
really want to. You can wear it with shorts if you really want to.
With what?
And the blazer.
So basically just recycling the same outfit?
You know what? It's okay to be a minimalist.
Do you know me?
I'm just saying it's okay to work with things that you have in your closet. And
Okay, that's not the point of the video.
it was an extra shirt,
Okay.
so I had to figure out what to wear with it. Oh, alright. I'm not used to this life.
Same outfit, different top though. I have nipple covers on because it is completely mesh.
Not mine.
No. And so it has like this V. It's a lot more comfortable than the other shirt. And yeah, it's actually a comfy bodysuit. It just doesn't hold the boobies up, and also it's also mesh, so you need to get like some nipple covers to cover up that side.
Am I looking now?
Now you can.
Okay. I like that better than the top.
Yeah.
Probably because the top doesn't fit, but I like this better.
I think this is more of a date where I would go on more of a date with this shirt than the other shirt. I feel like it's more sexy, the black, strappy, the V. I feel like it's more,
Yeah.
you know, that's kind of like playful going with the girls. I feel like this is more of like a date.
That's more like a brunch thing and some more date.
Yeah. See how just switching up the top can change a whole look.
I give it a 7. I still want the shorts. I like the idea. If the shorts, like that, if the shorts were what I wanted and the jacket was what I wanted, then I probably.
So it's the 7. So the highest rated one was the yellow dress?
See, truthfully, I like shopping without you in the store with me. Just like.
Shh. Let's close our closing statements. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video. I want to get my mom's final thoughts. What do you think? What do you think?
I think it went better than the first time.
I do too. I think the first time was very...
You were rushing me.
I don't know, I was not.
I felt
You're
rushed.
such a liar! I did not rush you.
I felt rushed in the store.
Not by me.
And the people there, I didn't like the shopping.
It wasn't by me. I wasn't even talking to you. I was sitting down
But I
minding my own
sneaked
business.
though. I feel like I sneaked because I didn't trust you in the store.
That has nothing to do with me. I told her to go on her own. She said, no, I'm coming with her. So don't try blaming me.
But I felt like I sneaked then.
That was, you told me to come with you. I said, go to the store.
Well, either way, I prefer shopping alone. Just let you know. So, now you know. Thank you.
I like how you're trying to be calm all of a sudden now and quiet. Thank you. I prefer shopping alone.
What should I be like?
I'm so delicate.
I'm delicate. Thank you. Thanks.
Anywho's,
So what's your favorite?
I would say my favorite, honestly, I really like the yellow one. That's just me. It's literally, I would dress similar to that. I actually want that dress again, just in the size that fits me. So I can wear it out. And I think I like the black one. I like this, to be honest. The shorts aren't
doing anything, especially not sitting down. You can't see it, but I can.
yeah, sitting down, they're not that cute.
Definitely not cute.
I think the look of this outfit, though, I could see being for like a date or something like that with better shorts. Yeah. I really do like the black dress, surprisingly. I just don't like, it's just super uncomfortable. Like the black dress just hurt. Like it was just the metal pieces are actually stabbing you. So
why did you like it initially when you first saw it?
it just looked super small. Like it looked like it was just gonna be a t-shirt on me. I didn't even think my bum was gonna be covered. So like it made me think like, cause I got a booty. You got a booty.
Right. That wouldn't fit me. I knew that for a fact.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't fit you.
So
That wouldn't even like go over your bum. But yeah, so I was like worried that wasn't gonna fit my butt, but like I liked it on. It just, there's like minor details of it that need to be fixed and perfected. But I'd say the yellow dress is my favorite. This idea of concept of this outfit is my favorite, and then the black dress is great. Is if it, you know, those details are different. But I would say you did better this time. You did more my style, more playful. The other ones, I don't know what that was. I really don't know.
It was a trial run, and again, I feel like I was sneaking through the stores. Because you were there.
You're so true.
It's true though. You don't know how I was feeling. You don't know how I was feeling? Do you know how I was feeling at that moment? No, you don't. So yes.
You were in completely different floors, and I would sit, then after I ended up sitting by the exit.
That's why I was paying for it.
No, it wasn't. You're still looking.
Either way, I think I did better by myself.
Also, the reason the first video took so long to come out and I didn't have the video up is because she never sent me the footage of herself in the store. Even when I was in New York, I kept telling her to give it to me, and then I told her afterwards to give it to me. She kept saying she will. It's been a month. She still has not. And she wonders where I get my procrastination from. My mommy.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. Bye, guys.